Android Studio has powerful refactoring capabilities, allowing you to rename your IDs, move files around, and extract code into new factors. I'll show you how to use some of these features in this project that I created in a previous video. I'll start by making some changes to a class I created previously called myTextUtil. At this point, this class only has a couple of constructor methods. But let's say that I wanted to add a new method. I could create the method, then go somewhere and call it, but I can do it in the other direction too. In my main activity class, I'll call util, then .doSomething. That method doesn't exist yet, so I get a warning indicator where the text of the method name is of a different color. And over here, if I pull down the list of possible intention actions, I see that I can create the method doSomething. I'll choose that option, and that takes me to the myTextUtil class, and the method is created. The return type is selected. If I want to accept it, I can just press Enter or Return, and the cursor lands in the method body. Now let's say that I wanted to change the name of the method. I can place the cursor in the method name in the declaration, or wherever it's called, and press Shift F6. I immediately see that the name of the method is selected, and I can change it right here. I'll change it from doSomething to do something else, and then press Enter or Return. Then I'll go back to the class where the method is declared, and I'll see that it's changed there as well. I'll come back to the main activity class, and let's say that I wanted to change the name of this variable. Once again, I would click into it or select it, then press Shift F6, and I see some options. I can either keep the current name, or I can use one of the suggestions. I'll choose TextUtil and press Enter or Return, and both the declaration and the usage of that variable are changed. You can also get to all of these capabilities through the Refactor menu. Here's the Rename tool, and again, the keyboard shortcut is Shift F6 on both Mac and Windows, but you can also change the signature of a method, or you can move and copy content. I previously described how to move a class around by just dragging it around within the project window, but you can do the same thing with code. I'll go to the myTextUtil class and click into the name of the class, then choose Refactor, Move. And I'll change the package from the utility subpackage to my base package, Simple App. I'll click Refactor, and that moves the file, but it also changes the declaration of the package at the top of the file, and also removes the import statement for that class in the main activity, because now that it's in the same package, that import is no longer required. You can also extract code to separate methods. I'll select these 3 lines of code, then I'll right-click and choose Refactor, Extract, Method. And you could do this from the main menu as well. I'll name the new method doThis and click OK, and the selected code is moved to the new method, and a call to the new method is added where that old code was. All of these refactor capabilities are available through the Refactor This dialog. When you select that dialog, you can rename, change method signatures, move and copy code, delete code, which means that Android Studio will look for references to identifiers in the code you're trying to delete and notify you if it's going to cause a problem, and extract code to many different kinds of factors. One of the most important tools you get in any good IDE is the ability to refactor instead of searching and replacing, and Android Studio's tools for this are excellent.